Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of my new HONOR View10. I just got this earlier and now I'm going to unbox it. Let's take a look around the box. On the front it just says HONOR View10. On the bottom the barcode, serial number, model, color, capacity and RAM, and other few bits and pieces. Nothing on the sides and the top. And on the back it just says powered by Huawei. The box is recyclable and it is printed with soy ink. Obviously below it's the Huawei address. So I have a knife right here. Let's go ahead and get inside the box. Okay. Right, so right on top is the phone itself, still wrapped in plastic. Let's just put it aside. Take the tray out. Right here, SIM eject tool. Quick start guide. Warranty card. And what's nice is they also provide a case. Further inside is the charger. The earphones. And the USB cable. It is a USB-C to a regular USB. Okay, so let's take the plastic wrapper off. Okay, so let's do a quick first boot up. Alright, so language, English United Kingdom. Next, insert SIM card. I'll do that later. End user license agreement, agree. Later. This is for the user experience improvement project. About service permissions, Wi-Fi service, okay. Connect to network, let's connect to the hotel's Wi-Fi. And I'm just gonna enter the password. Alright, so now that the password is entered, next. Checking for updates. Google account sign in. Just give me a moment and I'll be back. Okay, so now I've entered the Google account and whatnot. Next, or I agree if you will. Google services, don't back up the Google Drive. Help apps find location. Okay. Alright. set the lock screen style. Okay. Oh, screen lock style. You know what, I'll skip this. Later. Set up as new. Huawei ID, skip this. Data transfer, skip this as well. Set up as new device. Cloud, not now. Fingerprint ID, enable. Right, so I'll skip the fingerprint ID. So I'll skip this. Get free access to popular apps. Agree. Cancel, sorry. Skip this. And there you go. The phone has booted up with all the settings in mind. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new HONOR View 10. Thanks for watching and goodbye.